Hello all Body Rush fans. Let's see Body Rush. It's still downloading, it's still loading. Oh man, I hate it. It's already 9:34 p.m. I don't even watching short show for fun. Hero. So that's just what I should watching. Your TV, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, blah blah blah. Shit, have you any rules? Yes, three bags one for the master, one for the main, one for the little boy, and the man. Blah 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 blah. 可是个你我，还能看你我，君が知らない。Whoa, it's Little Battle Experience at Animax. W. Okay, guys watching Teletubbies, Tales from the Crypt, Keeper, Teletubbies, Tales from the Crypt, Vietnam Lost Films at Biography Wars, Lovely Channel, I don't know what is that, World Toughest Big Mud Cat, National Geographic, that's Mud Cat, Big Fish, Big Bucks, yeah, oh, it's almost finished downloading this one, so relax. Relax. Oh yeah, you're gonna be fun, no? I gotta take it for the long way round. And I sure would like some chicken fun. Leaving it tomorrow, what you say? It's downloading. Yes, I'm downloading. It's downloading. It's 42 million and it's almost 33. 43, 15, 43 million. This is Body Rush. I'm playing Body Rush. I cannot able to show you, but my character is Snaggy, level Diamond 1. Okay, good. Level Diamond, Dagny. Not something my name. Not something touchy touchy. Okay, blah blah, chichi. Tihi, tihi. Do you know Forever Streaks Filipino? Bisaya, ng view. I will secrets about my cousin. She said to is my father, to his father. Can I pa? Pwede ko, pwede ko mo, kuan, higda sa mong buto. That's my secret. I'm playing already Body Rush. Here I go. No. Playing Body Rush. They said sing the song from chapter 5. Oh man, game side is not good. I'm gonna push that. Body Rush. Okay. Bye bye. I'm not still. I'm gonna do something. Okay, bye bye. Language, sing, country, Philippines. I am from Cebu City, Philippines. Calamba, Cebu City. My parents singing. It's my parents. This is my stupid and annoying sister. Then, okay, this is Liam, the youngest. I'm already restarting again. Body rush. So, okay. Bang, bang. This is my nerf. It's called Barricade 26 blah blah blah. The balls are all last year. It's Stars at Ayala, Cebu City. Stars 8, SM Cebu City. At Stars 897, Nancy Mercedes, for Santa Fe Warriors. Other bullets are lost. And my batteries are dead. Okay, maybe somebody was starting. So let's click it. I'm flying already, Body Rush. Did you hear that voice? I'm flying Body Rush. Still loading, still loading. Oh, myself gave me 7,000 bugs. The connection was lost. Okay. Shoot you. Or else you'll die. See? It's inside. The podcast is going to get something. My cat is biting his feet. Okay.